Hey guys, and welcome to an unboxing video. Today we're unboxing something modern, which is why nobody's with me right now. We have a cardboard box. It's not really a cardboard box, but I think it's going to be a cardboard box instead. Now, the alarm in here is actually something I didn't even know existed. So, I'm going to go ahead and I decided to get it because it's pretty cheap. Alright, thankfully it doesn't seem like we have to peel this part off, so... Or, yeah, we do. Okay. This is also, Okay, so you can tell it's a Kidde, but what Kidde is it? It's a, oh, and you might be thinking, P9040? Gross. No. These are not P9040s. These are 0946 Ionization. They had made an Ionization variant. So we're gonna take a look. Looks like we can actually open this easily. Which is very nice. So we'll go ahead and take a look at one. Got the old batteries, which I'll be removing. Yeah, they're older GP batteries. So yeah, I'll be getting rid of this one. It's in much better shape, but yeah, still getting rid of those. You got your typical mounting hardware that comes with all your units. All right, so let's take a look at one of these units. So this is what it looks like. It looks just like your P9040, except this. Oh my God, so close. Anyways, yeah, this is an ionization version of a P9040. Like, you'd think the ionization version would be the I9040. Now, since this thing is very small, I'll just zoom in the camera a little bit. So it's got a very similar, exact same look as the P9040. So we'll go ahead and put a battery in it. I'll let you hear it. I don't know much about these units, but yeah. Let's see if it does the funny thing where it works with the hush button. No. It works. Wait, I wanna... No, this one's not that stupid. Yeah. Okay, so immediate silence when you let go of the test button. So this one, you should be able to see it. Yeah, this is legitimate, so you can see the ionization chamber in there. So this one is an ionization version of the P9040. So I find that really cool. And just for the sake of the video, wait, do we have a dying sound? No, we don't. And to make you all happy, I'll actually, where's the manual? I don't even see it anywhere. Might have not come with one. I mean, that's fine. Okay, I was gonna get the second one out, but it's pretty far in there, so I'm not going to. And I am gonna be reselling this, but just with this one. Because obviously I don't need two. I'm just gonna keep this one. My suspicion is that it's gonna go to Procell Fox, as he found the listing for me and he does want one, so I think that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, the mounting bracket's pretty much very similar to a P9040. So yeah, that was a quick video of the Kidde not P90. I'm getting models confused a lot. The 0946. This is a very interesting alarm, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video, and that will be it.